It's okay because you have to start somewhere, right? Like I still feel like I own a job because I'm in the trenches. I'm still dialing, but the main goal should be to open, once you open your business, is to work on your business and not so much in your business, right? So when you go from working for somebody else, like a 9 to 5 with a set schedule, right? You get a W-2 at the end of the year, that's working for someone else. You have a job, right? But when people actually go and get their insurance license and they start, buying leads and then taking the profit from the sales that they make and then putting that profit back into a lead, then they start going in and getting websites and stuff like that, right? You don't technically like own a business, right? You actually own a job. So with that being said, if you're in that category, just like me myself, you have to actually still work that same job. The only difference is, instead of trusting someone else or, making profit for another business owner, you have now the responsibility to invest that profit wisely. It doesn't just hit your bank account and then you just go buy whatever you want with it, because ultimately you'll end up out of business, right? Then you'll have to go get another job again. So once you decide to open your business, it is now your fiscal responsibility to do your research and learn as much as you can about how to use your finances, right? How to apply, how to get these credit cards, how to reinvest your money to make your business more profitable, ultimately, so you can work on your business and not in your business, right? So if you guys want to learn more about how to use credit to leverage, right? How to use business credit to leverage some of these things, then follow me, okay? I Crack Codes, follow the page, subscribe. Hey, I don't got nothing to sell you, but the game ain't free, baby. Let's go.